Hello, my name is Melina Kelson. I'm an instructor at Kendall College and a certified master baker. And today I'm going to show you how to make these really fabulous Beehive cookies. They're marked by honey and a little bit of cinnamon and have a really delicious crisp texture. I think you'll enjoy them. I'm going to begin by taking my room temperature butter and I'm going to cream that with my creamed honey, my brown sugar, and my lemon zest. I'll mix this together until all of the ingredients are well distributed. In the meantime, I'm going to sift my flour together with my chemical leaveners and my salt. Additionally, I have some cinnamon in here. Honey is a really, really nice accent to spices such as cinnamon. Its natural flavor doesn't compete with them, but rather it gives a nice enhancement. While my honey and my butter and brown sugar are creaming together, I'm just going to mix this egg up. I'm going to introduce the eggs in thirds so that I can preserve the emulsion. I want to see that I have my ingredients well distributed before I add my egg in thirds. I'm just going to increase the speed slightly to second speed, help them distribute. I'm going to add 1/3 of my egg at a time. I'll stop and I'll scrape down after each addition. Once my egg is completely distributed, I'll give it another scrape, and I'll add all of my dry ingredients at once. I'll make sure that I reduce my speed to first speed so I don't end up with a face full of flour. And I'll mix this until a dough just begins to form. So a dough has just begun to form. I'm going to stop mixing. I don't want to have too much gluten development or the cookie will be tough. I scrape my bowl well, make sure I have my flour uniformly distributed, folded it over on itself just a couple of times. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to wrap this up in plastic. And I'll allow this dough to chill 4 hours to overnight.